Hey there crew, Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome design like this. We already did our women's version. Now I want to make a men's version with some of our strip flock heat transfer vinyl and our easy reflective. Stick around to see how. Okay, so as you know, on the women's shirt, we use the blue glitter, the red glitter, and the rhinestones to give the sparkle effect and make it a really appealing shirt for all the women. Now for the men, we want to make this design pretty cool, but also unique as well. So I'm going to use the reflective heat transfer vinyl. It's the Easy Reflective. Now this one, we're going to press at recommended 305 degrees for 15 seconds, and then the the strip flock is recommended at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. So I don't want to change the temperature on my heat press each time. So I'm going to go at 310 degrees for both of them. Now remember, the strip flock is a cold peel where the reflective is a warm peel. So I want to make sure to press the reflective first so I can do that little tack press. And then we're going to throw a little design on the back of the collar here and complete this shirt and show you how awesome it's going to look. Okay, so I have my district t-shirt from Sanmar right here. I got it all lined up on my 16x20 Hotronix autoclam, and the first color I'm going to press is my reflective. So awesome cut here. I'm just going to go ahead and get this lined up. I'm going to check my armpits. Armpits look good for the design. Look at my left edge and my right edge of the collar right there. I'm going to say that looks pretty good. I always like to just pull the shirt up like this right here to make sure everything's looking pretty straight. And I'm going to say that looks pretty good. I'm good with pretty good. So collar's good, armpit's good. I'm going to come down for a 2 to 3 second press here for my initial tack press. Okay, and then we'll slowly peel this away here. Now remember, I didn't go down for my full time and temperature because I didn't want this to shrink at all. So now that I have that and I'm good, I can actually bring my design down a little bit here to be able to see it a little bit nicer. And now I'm going to grab my strip flock and we're going to get this all lined up. So everything looks good there. I can see how easy it is to line it up. Everything's lining up perfectly for me. Now one thing I want to do is I want to make sure I use a cover sheet because I have a little bit of my reflective exposed right there. So everything looks good and lined up. Drop my cover sheet on, and now we're going to go down for our full 12 to 15 seconds here. Let's go ahead and pull that up. Now remember, the strip flock is a cold peel, so we're going to want to let this sit and cool down for maybe about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Alright, so everything's cool. We're going to go ahead and peel this off. You can see the strip flock peeling off good here. Peel it across at one. And now we have our completed design on here. So now what I want to do is I want to put my smaller design on the back collar of the shirt here. Alright, so my back collar design here, I'm going to use my pressing pillow just to get an even press and an even surface going through here. I'm going to have to lighten my pressure a little bit because of the height of this pillow. I'm going to see where my tag is, and again, I'm going to start with the reflective. So I'm going to drop the Easy Reflective right there on top. Everything looks nice and straight. Come down for 1/1000, 2/1000, up. Again, quicker 2 second press on that. Peel that off. And then we're going to come back with the strip flock again. Everything's covered this time, so now I don't have to worry about it as much as far as a cover sheet. So everything looks good and lined up there. Want to make sure everything looks nice. And I'm just checking my edges there. All those edges look nice, and come down for my press here. Now again, a full 12 to 15 seconds on our strip flock. Alright, all good there. Let's take our pillow out and let's let this cool for about 30 seconds. Alright, so strip flock's cooled down here. Let's go ahead and peel this off, and you can see Backside of our design is all good now. All right, so there we go. Finished product right here. Awesome looking men's shirt. Got a different type of heat transfer vinyl on it with the reflective, and the strip flock gives it a really cool look, but something different than your basic Easy Weed. If I just did a gray and an off gray or a light gray on this, wouldn't look nearly as good. When the lights hit this just right with the reflective, it's going to look awesome. We have our women's shirt with our glitter and rhinestones, exact same design. They're going to love it. And then we can make these awesome decals. We can put this on a mug. We can put it on a Yeti. We can put this onto a computer laptop, onto a cell phone case. But these 3 designs, the 3 different sizes, are on the website at therhinestoneworld.com. We're going to post a link right below this YouTube video, and if you use this coupon code right here, it's going to take 80% off this design just for watching this video on how to make this awesome shirt. So thanks for watching, guys. Be different. Think of some different materials to make your products look unique and look awesome for your customers. But till next video, we'll see you guys soon. Later.